Discover the incredible benefits of using castor oil before bedtime. Castor oil, derived from the plant Ricinus communis, has a rich history in traditional Indian medicine for addressing various health issues. In addition to its widespread use in skincare, it has diverse applications, including fuel production, machine lubrication, and inclusion in lotions and medicines. Here are 12 compelling reasons why incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine can be transformative. Number 1. Improved joint health. Castor oil, a versatile remedy with a rich history, stands out for its remarkable benefits in improving joint health. Specifically tailored to alleviate aching joints and swelling, its components actively combat inflammation, easing pain and tightness. Chronic inflammation, a potential threat to joint well-being, finds relief as castor oil works to soothe and heal. Penetrating deeply into the skin and tissues, it lubricates joints, enhancing movement and reducing stiffness. Furthermore, it promotes blood flow to joints, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen while eliminating toxins, thereby minimizing swelling and discomfort. This holistic approach strengthens muscles, ligaments, and combats oxidative stress, safeguarding joints and tissues from potential damage. Number 2. Sleep aid. For those grappling with sleep issues, a prevalent concern affecting work and overall well-being, castor oil emerges as a potential remedy. Unlike the risk of dependency associated with excessive use of sleeping pills, castor oil offers a natural alternative. Applying a small amount on eyelids before bedtime induces relaxation, facilitating a more restful sleep. Alternatively, blending castor oil with essential oils like peppermint, lavender, or rose and applying to temples provides an aromatherapy solution, promoting a calming effect and better sleep quality. This holistic approach offers a simple, effective way to address insomnia and enhance sleep patterns. Number 3. Constipation relief. Constipation, a common issue, finds relief in the effectiveness of castor oil as a natural laxative. Acknowledged by both users and experts, castor oil aids in muscle movement within the gastrointestinal tract, easing the process of bowel movements. Particularly beneficial for those struggling with constipation or needing bowel preparation for medical examinations, oral consumption of castor oil transforms into a substance enhancing intestinal function. Supported by studies, it has demonstrated effectiveness, notably in older adults, making bowel movements easier. Caution is advised against excessive use, which may lead to stomach upset, diarrhea, or cramps. For a gentler approach, alternatives like yogurt, curry, beans, and clear soup, rich in beneficial bacteria and nutrients, can contribute to softer stools and alleviate constipation. Number 4. Hair health. Castor oil emerges as a hair care elixir, promoting healthier and shinier locks akin to coconut oil. Its potential to stimulate thicker, stronger, and faster hair growth, similar to coconut oil, is noteworthy. Castor oil's untangling properties prove useful for addressing twisted hair lumps. Its ability to enhance blood flow to hair roots contributes to potential hair regrowth, commonly applied on eyebrows and eyelashes. To manage frizzy or thick hair, infusing a few drops of castor oil into conditioner offers smoother results. For optimal benefits, apply as a deep treatment before bedtime, covering with a shower cap, and gently washing hair the next morning. Number 5. Immune system support. Castor oil emerges as an immune system booster by enhancing the function of the lymphatic system. Comprising small tubes throughout the body, the lymphatic system eliminates excess fluid, proteins, and waste. Castor oil facilitates fluid flow in the lymph system, improving blood circulation, and supporting the health of the thymus gland, a vital part of the immune system. With a historical application for various ailments, including joint pains, back pains, constipation, and stomach issues, studies indicate that castor oil packs on the stomach can increase lymphocyte production, crucial for immune defense against germs and toxins. Additionally, castor oil is employed for heart health and addressing digestive concerns such as constipation. Number 6. Wound healing. Castor oil proves effective in healing small wounds, offering moisture to prevent dryness. While it's beneficial for minor cuts and scratches, it's crucial to seek medical attention for serious injuries. Notably, castor oil, combined with Peru balsam in ointments like Ventula, becomes a valuable tool in treating burns, skin sores, and post-operative wounds. Research highlights its efficacy in reducing swelling and pain. However, caution is advised, as castor oil products may contain additional ingredients. Always consult with a doctor before applying them to wounds to ensure their safety and suitability. Beyond wound care, castor oil unfolds more surprising benefits. Number 7. Denture cleaning. Castor oil simplifies denture cleaning, addressing the challenge of maintaining spotless dentures, particularly for older generations. Its efficacy in preserving old dentures is notable, preventing the buildup of bacteria and fungi. Crucially, castor oil helps combat candida, averting denture stomatitis with its painful symptoms. Soaking dentures in a castor oil mix proves effective against fungus and germs, as evidenced by studies that showcase reduced infection symptoms and a decline in fungal issues among older adults with dentures. Number 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Castor oil emerges as a potent solution for inflammation and pain relief, harnessing its anti-inflammatory qualities. Rich in ricinoleic acid, it inhibits substances triggering inflammation, serving as a natural painkiller with fatty acids that alleviate arthritis, sore muscles, and period cramps. The application of castor oil enhances blood flow, reducing pain while addressing puffiness and soreness from bug bites, bruises, and minor wounds. Additionally, it supports the lymphatic system, crucial for eliminating body waste and fluid. Castor oil's multifaceted approach stimulates this process, effectively reducing both swelling and inflammation when applied topically or ingested for comprehensive benefits. Number 9. Fungal infections treatment. Castor oil serves as a traditional remedy for various health and beauty concerns, including effectively combating fungal infections on the skin, nails, and scalp. Unlike some conventional medications that may face challenges, castor oil excels in inhibiting fungal growth and spread, ultimately eliminating the infection. Application of castor oil on the affected area not only reduces inflammation, providing relief from discomfort, but also addresses dry and flaky skin associated with fungal infections by moisturizing and alleviating itchiness, contributing to overall skin health. Number 10. Moisturizing dry skin. Combating dry skin becomes effortless with castor oil, a natural solution that effectively retains skin moisture. Enriched with ricinoleic acid, castor oil locks in moisture, a key component found in various moisturizing products. Opting for pure castor oil allows you to avoid additional irritants and is a cost-effective alternative. Its versatility extends beyond facial application, catering to the entire body. Users often combine it with other nourishing oils like coconut or almond for enhanced moisturization. However, it's advisable to conduct a patch test on a small area, ensuring compatibility and averting potential allergic reactions before incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine. Number 11. Digestive health. Castor oil aids digestion by promoting the movement of food through the intestines, providing relief for those with difficulty in bowel movements. It encourages regular bowel movements, detoxifies the gut, and combats bloating and gas, beneficial for individuals exposed to pollution or excessive junk food consumption. Furthermore, castor oil fosters the growth of good bacteria in the stomach, contributing to overall digestive health and preventing tummy troubles caused by stress, poor eating habits, or illness. Number 12. Labor induction. Traditionally used to start labor in pregnant women, castor oil may stimulate contractions and prepare the cervix for childbirth. However, its use should be approached cautiously and under medical supervision. Incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine may offer a range of health benefits, from skincare to digestive well-being. Before trying it, consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Embrace the natural wonders of castor oil for a healthier, happier life. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends.